In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the Yahoo Mail theme, including how to enable Yahoo Dark Mode. This process is not only straightforward, but can be completed in just about 5 minutes. Whether you're looking to reduce eye strain in low light environments or simply desire a change of scenery, switching your Yahoo Mail theme can make a big difference. Let's dive in. First off, you'll need to log into your Yahoo Mail account. Go ahead and navigate to the Yahoo login page. Once there, simply type in your Yahoo email address. This step gets you set up to access your inbox, and from there, entering your login credentials is the key to unlocking Yahoo's customization features. After you've entered your email address, click on the Next button. This will guide you to the password entry point. As always, ensure that your password is correct to avoid repeated login attempts, which could lead to a security lockout. Now go ahead and enter your password. This provides access to your Yahoo Mail account. Once your password is entered, click Next again to proceed. Successful entry here will take you directly to your Yahoo Mail inbox. With your emails in view, it's time to locate the settings icon, which is represented by a gear symbol, typically found in the top right corner of the page. Clicking on this will open up a drop-down menu offering various ways to personalize your email experience. Within the settings panel, look for the section titled Personalize Inbox. Here you will see a range of theme options displayed. Yahoo offers several preset themes, each giving your inbox a unique look and feel. To select a theme, simply click on one and you'll be able to see a real-time preview of how it appears. This allows you to test multiple themes and find the one that suits your preference. If you're looking for more advanced customization, scroll down and click on More Settings found at the bottom of the drop-down menu. Within this more detailed settings menu, locate and select Appearance from the options on the left side. This section specifically deals with the look and feel of your email interface. Now here's the exciting part for those who prefer a darker interface. It's time to choose dark mode. Opting for dark mode can be easier on the eyes, especially during nighttime use or in dimly lit environments. Once you've selected it, you should immediately notice the darker theme take effect. To wrap things up, you'll want to close the settings window. Doing so will save your changes and take you back to your inbox, now with the fresh new appearance you've selected. And just like that, you've successfully customized your Yahoo Mail theme, including setting up dark mode if you chose to do so. Enjoy your newly personalized email experience.